Hello, welcome to another mini tutorial from Upvc Spares for Repairs. Today we're going to be looking at UPVC door flag hinges. Quite often people say to us, I can see you've got the same door hinge that I've got on my door, however my hinge is the opposite way round. All door hinges are universal and it's a simple job to change the handing. So for instance, we've got the Upvc door hinge here. You can see the hinge is pointing this way, so if it was an opening in door, the hinge would be hung on the left hand side of the door, viewed from inside. To change the handing, simply all you need to do when you take it out of the box is lift up the hinge, spin it round and slide it onto the pin. The handing has now been reversed, so this hinge will fit on the right hand side door of the hinge, opposite way round. Hope that's been useful and thank you for watching UPVC Spares for Repairs.